Hello everyone. Let's start today with topic muscular dystrophy. Actually, in muscular dystrophy, there is progressive muscular weakness or loss of muscle mass. Actually, the main reason for muscular dystrophy is main protein only. The main protein is called dystrophin is mutated. In this picture, you can see muscular dystrophy. The size of the muscle is decreased. Actually, the main protein is called dystrophin. The dystrophin is a protein that connects the cytoskeleton of the membrane to the extracellular matrix of the cell membrane. And there are mainly two types of muscular dystrophy. First is Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and second is Baker dystrophy. As you clearly see in the picture, dystrophin is a protein which connects the cytoskeleton muscle to the extracellular matrix. Mainly the muscular dystrophy occurs in X-linked recessive traits. Actually, in X-linked recessive mainly occur in male because in male there is only one chromosome of X and one chromosome of Y. In Duchenne muscular dystrophy, there is absence of protein called dystrophin, which is present in the muscle of the cell membrane. There are two types of mutation occur in the Duchenne muscular dystrophy. There are nonsense mutation and second is frame shift mutation. First is nonsense mutation. What is nonsense mutation? It is a point mutation or sequence of DNA that result in premature stop codon, which results in non-functional protein product. And second is frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation. In this, the mutation that add nucleotide or delete nucleotide and shift the sequence of DNA. This Duchenne muscular dystrophy occur by the age of 5 to 6 year old. The symptom of Duchenne muscular dystrophy are maybe delayed development illness, maybe pain and stiffness in the muscle, maybe unable to walk, maybe walking on toes, maybe difficult in standing or sitting, learning disability, and maybe frequent falls. You see in this picture, this area mainly affects Duchenne is a genetic mutation that stops the body from producing dystrophin, a protein that muscle need to work properly. Let's go with Baker muscular dystrophy. In Baker muscular dystrophy, it's mainly occur missense mutation. What is missense mutation? Missense mutation, it is a point mutation in which a single nucleotide change result in a code that code for different amino acids, and it is less severe than Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and it's occur mainly age of 10 to 20 years old. Symptoms of Baker muscular dystrophy are maybe muscle weakness, maybe muscle pain, also called myalgia, maybe the calf muscle become hypertrophy, maybe the person have maybe trouble with heavy lifting loads, maybe not able to walk quickly or run smoothly. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you.